Hello, Professor. My name is Christian Doe. My student ID is 101463447. In this video, we will go through the Python Assignment 1 coding. So first of all, based on the requirement, I create two lists. They are employee list and item list. And next one is I create some function that we keep reuse them for entire program. For example, first function is get validate number to make sure the user input the number. It should be in integer, not string, nothing else, but integer. The second is validate the input, make sure the user input some information, not leave it blank. And the next one is validate type, because the employee we have hourly and manager, to make sure the user input either hourly or manager or any type of message we want them later. And the next function is eUnit, to make sure the information we asking is available in the list. And the next function is calculate discount, so we make sure the discount based on the year of work, either 10 is at maximum or 2% of year work. So if the manager, we give them extra 10%, and then if the hourly, we give them 2% extra. And this is how we can calculate. We have to make sure they receive $200 in total. So next one is go back to the assignment. We bring the menu. Menu has 5 functions: employee, create item, match purchase, and then bring on the employee, summarize, and the final function is exit. Following the menu, I create the first function, main function called create employee. So we make sure when the user input, we validate. For example, make sure the user input the employee now ID is the number, and then we check if the number exists or not. The next one is employee name, make sure they input information. And then employee type, we make sure it should be hourly or manager. And then make sure they give us the validate number about year work. And I have some extra check-in by give the rank between 0 to 50, because normally people not working there more than 50 years. And by default, the purchase and discount is 0. And I will make sure the employee discount number is unit, no duplicate. And finally, after check-in, get on the validate, get on the valid input, and put them into the list, employee list. And then ask the user if they want to create a new employee or not. The next function is create item. Similar create employee, I have to validate the item number is the number. If the name, they should give us the name information, not leave it blank. If it is the cost, it should be the number. And when after validate on the input, we put the information into the item list and ask the user if they want to continue or not. The next main function is make purchase. This is how we can bring on the purchase on the item in the item list. And we start by asking the user, please give me the employee discount number. And we check if the employee discount number is in the list or not. Next asking, we ask the user input the item number and make sure the item number is existing. And then we bring out the item list should be from the item list, from the item list, and the cost from the item list. And ask user to confirm if they want purchase or not. If they want, they say yes, we calculate the discount amount, and then we calculate the cost after discount. And then we bring out, we update the cost after discount, and we update the discount amount into the employee list. Finally, we bring out the message either purchase success or purchase cancel. If the success, we give them the information how much the cost of the item after discount. And finally, we ask the user if they want to make another purchase. Next function is on employee summary. Just bring out the list of employee and how much they purchase, the total discount they get. And after bring the menu, asking if the user want to go back to the main menu or they want to access the program. And finally, the main function is where we asking the user selects the menu 1 to 5. If it's 1, we call the create employee function. 2, we call the create item function. 3 is make purchase function. 4, we call on employee summary. And 5, we assist. If incorrect, then we ask user, hey, this is invalid, please enter between 1 to 5. And so now in a quick demo, first I create a new employee. The next employee I try to input wrong information. Okay, so we have all the employee. Now we start with the create the new item. So first item. Second item, I try to input wrong information. So we have 2 items already. So now we make a purchase. So make purchase. So first enter employee discount number. Item number. Purchase yes. Now make another purchase yes. Yeah, so we can see, go back to the main menu. Yes, and we're done. And then we can bring again. Go back to the main menu. Yes, and we're done. We assist the function. Thanks for watching.